Good morning, boys. Welcome to my online class. I am Shubroto, your chemistry lecturer. All of you are well by the grace of Almighty. Today we talk about the chapter 9, acid-base balance. In our last class, we discussed about pH range, importance of pH, some mathematical problem, importance of neutralization reaction, and so on. Today we discuss about some problem about salt, acid rain, water, hardness. So go to our class. Okay, first we discuss salt. Salt is produced by acid and basic reaction in neutralization reaction. When a base react with acid, it will produce a salt, sodium chloride. Here a positive ion and a negative ion are attached to make a salt. The positive ion is come from the basic part and the basic solution, and the negative part will come from the acidic solution. That means Na plus is the basic part and the chloride ion is the acidic part. Okay, we have to know some salt: sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride, sodium nitrate. The formula of that salt: copper sulfate, aluminum nitrate, and so on. Now we discuss about the acid rain. It is the important topic in our in this chapter. Acid rain means the rainwater. The pH value of rainwater is lower, then this rain is called acid rain. Okay. Why this acid rain is occur or come to our environment? Because of environment pollution. Okay, now first we discuss why the rainwater is lower. pH value of rainwater is lower than 7. It is a natural process. Okay, if we measure the pH value, the normal pH value of acid rain, then it is lower than 7. The normal pH value of acid rain is lower than 7. Why it is happened? Now I discuss about this. Okay, we know that in our environment, oxygen and nitrogen are have the most of the amount in our environment, in our atmosphere. They doesn't react one another, doesn't. But when the rain is falling, the storm, we have to know that the oxygen and nitrogen will react with one another at higher temperature. When thunderstorm is occurred, the temperature will be 3500 degrees Celsius. At that temperature, this nitrogen will react with oxygen and produce nitric oxide. 3500, that means 3500 degrees Celsius at thunderstorm, and it will produce 2 molecules of nitric oxide. The name of this compound is nitric oxide. This nitric oxide will react with normal oxygen at normal temperature. It will produce nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide will mix with the rainwater and it will produce nitric acid or nitrous acid, HNO3, HNO2, nitric acid or nitrous acid. This nitric acid mixed with rainwater and it will causes the lower the pH value lower. Okay, HNO3 plus water, aqueous. Okay, for that reason the pH, the normal water, the pH value of normal rainwater is lower than 7. But when we call this rainwater is acid rain, when the pH value of normal rainwater is lower to very is lower to 1 to 3, then pH value will 1 to 3, then this rainwater is called acid rain when it is occurred or when it is happened. We know that in our industry produces nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and in our breath or some car and some industry causes some carbon dioxide which mixed with our environment and mixed with our atmosphere. When mixed with these gases with acid rainwater, and it will produce some acid rain and acid. That's why, but that acid rain is called acid rain. Now we give the reaction of acid rain. Sulfur dioxide from sulfuric industry, when mixed with rainwater, it will produce sulfurous acid HSO3. Sulfur trioxide, which is also come from sulfuric industry, and react with water, it will produce sulfuric acid mixed with rainwater and produce acid rain. Nitrogen oxide, which is produced from current industry or some fertilizer industry, nitrogen fertilizer industry, then it will produce nitric oxide mixed with water and produce acid rain. Carbon dioxide, when mixed with water, it will produce carbonic acid, and these are the main causes or main ingredient for acid rain. It is an important topic for our daily life, which causes many hamper to our body, skin, our eye, our building, and so on. We have to know the bad impact of acid rain in our daily life. It is your SW for to write and show me in the comment box the bad impact of acid rain. Okay, then now we discuss about water, hardness of water, and types of hardness of water. Water is very important element in our daily life. We use this water in many work, but when the water is mixed with some salt like as sodium salt, magnesium salt, or sulfate salt, chloride salt, this water is called hard water. Okay, that means when water mixed with some salt, this water is called hard water. Why this hardness is important in our daily life? Because hard water uses, but the salt in water which is mixed with water will react with soap and destroy the soap very largely. Okay, if this water is used in boiler, which will scale in the boiler plate, and sometimes it will destroy our boiler plate, and if this scale are placed in the lower part of the boiler, it will cause huge amount of fuel. It will hamper the boiling of water. That's why hardness of water is important. Hardness of types of hardness. There are two types of hardness. One is permanent hardness and the second is temporary hardness. Temporary hardness means which hardness is can remove very easily, and the which hardness is cannot remove very easily. Okay, temporary hardness. When carbonate or bicarbonate salt are mixed with water, is called temporary hardness, which causes temporary hardness. This hardness can be removed by boiling. Just boiling, we can remove this temporary hardness. Okay, remove boiling this water and filtration will remove this temporary hardness. And permanent hardness. When salt of chloride and sulfate is mixed with water, it will causes permanent hardness. Permanent hardness is very difficult to remove. We have to use some zeolite compound to remove this hardness. In our book, there we use carbonate and carbonate, calcium carbonate to remove this hardness. Okay. Okay. Okay, today's class is come to an end. From tomorrow, from next class, we'll discuss about water pollution, how to remove water pollution, and I will give a SW for your class work or homework. Is please write 15 one-word question in your note khata and show it in your comment box. Thank you, stay safe, and thank you again. Bye bye.